Greetings, you nice guys and gals over on the TV screens. Maybe. This is Steve, and I will be talking about some pretty neat audio and video tech stuff over on this channel. Nice that you came here. Maybe consider subscribing if you like stuff like this. You may notice English is not my first language, but I'm gonna try my best. For today I will show you, at first, the pretty new iteration of Rode mics, the PodMic. Let's get it on. Videos like this will work best with a good pair of headphones like the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro or similar kind of headphones, so you can hear the itty bitty tiny little differences and nuances in the sounds of the microphones I'm gonna show you. So, the Rode PodMic is a pretty new one, and I'm relatively stoked about it because I already have the Procaster, and this is sort of kind of like the little brother of it. And the packaging it came in looks a bit like this. It's a nice made packaging, sleeved, all made of cardboard and printed on the microphone itself. And it's not much to it. It's only the box with a bunch of more cardboard in it to stabilize the mic during shipping, a little, very little quick start guide, don't need that, and obviously the mic. And let's talk about it. First of all, you will hear the mic unedited. Maybe I'll boost it a little in post, but there's nothing like EQing or compressing or something like this. Just volume. And right now you hear the mic unedited, like I said. The build quality of this mic is outstanding. It is really rugged, thick metal body and a metal grill also. It's got the Rode logo printed on it, and it has two nice features that I'm really pleased to see on a mic, finally. Normally you will get some stiff things like this here, where you can tilt the mic like this, and that's it. The Rode PodMic takes it a step further. You can, for one, tilt it, and the best thing is, you can turn it. Doesn't sound like much, but it is, because when you mount it to an arm, like this one, the part where it's screwed in normally is fixed, and if you want to position the mic new, for example if you move over here or move over here, you have to loosen the screws and fiddle with it. This is not a pleasant experience. The PodMic has a swiveling mounting solution. This is so cool. It is nothing big really, but it is big, you know what I mean. Other than that, you can fix it and loosen it for easier setting, and you already hear the handling noises. The whole mounting solution is pretty nice. What I don't like is if you hit the arm or the table where it's mounted to, you will hear it. But you will be fine if you don't touch it or touch the arm or your table. If you're a gamer and want to use this mic on, let's say, your gaming setup, you may need to get a mic boom arm so you can put the mic on the bottom and decouple it from your table. What I do like about the microphone is, compared to the Procaster, the internal pop filter is pretty much insane, just in comparison to the Procaster. The Procaster pop filter is pretty much crap, and the pop filter in this one is pretty nice. I don't have to take care of my plosives all that much as I would have on the Procaster. If you want to see a review of the Procaster, you should maybe consider subscribing and hitting the bell. I will bring some other microphone reviews also, like headphone reviews and camera reviews and everything you need in a studio. For example, for YouTube, you will find it on this channel. But for now, let's stay at the PodMic. Let's go over some technical details that you will not find in the quick start guide. Damn it. I have to search it up myself. 1 second. Rode.com. Let's take a look. Broadcast quality dynamic capsule Optimized for speech applications, that is okay. Internal pop filter, yeah, I already covered that. Robust all-metal construction and designed for use with Rodecaster Pro Podcast Production Studio. Man, that is a mouthful. We have an acoustic principle, it is called. Dynamic microphone. Obviously, this thing does not need phantom power because it is a dynamic microphone, not a condenser microphone. Just like the Procaster. It has a frequency response from 20 to 20 Hz, it has a cardioid polar pattern, and it's got an output impedance of 320 ohms. We have a sensitivity of negative 57 decibel and that's it. No info about noise floor or maximum SPL or something like this. Nothing, even on the Rode webpage. What is up with this? But let's get over to a little more testing. I will test at first the noise floor of the microphone. This is the noise floor of the Rode PodMic. It was a good idea to throw the boxes on the floor, because now I can step on it. Damn it. I am now pretty much 1 meter away from the microphone, and this is what it sounds like. Now I'm pretty much half a meter away from the microphone, and this is what it sounds like. Now I'm about 30 centimeters away from the microphone, and this is what it sounds like. This is about 20 centimeters away from the microphone. This is about 10 centimeters away from the microphone, and this is full contact. I have to turn down my interface to about 25%. And as you see, I'm using the inline amplifier, the Triton Audio Fathead. This microphone needs a lot of power. I have an interface from Motu, it's the M4. This has, I think, about 62 decibel gain, and the mic needs this. On your first million, this microphone will set you back around $100. You will find links in the video description for this if you are interested in buying this. The pickup pattern is cardioid, but it will reject noise from the side of the microphone pretty good. This is me talking sideways into the mic, and this is me talking into the mic from the back. I have a mechanical keyboard lying here, and this one is a very loud one. It is a bit louder than the original Cherry MX Blues. And I will start up some text file, and now I will do some gaming noises. For gaming, of course, I'm gonna switch my setup a little bit. I'm gonna take the mic close up to my mouth, put down the level on my interface, so that I will get the most of my voice and the least of my typing noise. And for gaming, I would use roundabout WAS and D and a little mouse clicking. Maybe you can hear it. This is my mouse. And this is my keyboard clicking. This sound will, of course, get much lower if you have a nice, quiet, for example, a Rubber Dome gaming keyboard. And this is kind of the sound you can expect when you record outside of such a chamber. For example, if you record in your living room, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, I don't know. This is about the reverb and the echo stuff you will get with this microphone. And just for shits and giggles, if you use the previously mentioned Rubber Dome gaming keyboard and you sit in a room just like a living room or something like this, you will get this kind of typing noise. And if I position the mic a little bit intelligenter, is this a word? I don't know. Now the keyboard stands behind the microphone on the table, and the table is acoustically decoupled because I'm using a boom pole which is standing on my floor. This is what you get. Pretty loud typing noise, very loud typing noise indeed. And it is about 30 centimeters away from the microphone. I guess this should be the optimal way to set up your microphone. The keyboard is about 40 centimeters behind, directly behind the microphone, where it is the least sensitive. This is the kind of clicking noise that you get if you use a Rubber Dome gaming keyboard. My conclusion, sound-wise, on this mic is a pretty positive one. This microphone is supposed to record voice like in this situation. I've a pretty nice DIY self-built vocal booth, eliminating every kind of reverb and stuff like this. And what I like about this microphone, you can also use it in a normal room and it will not pick up all that much echoey and reverbal stuff. What I really like about the sound of this mic is the nice, silky, high end for voice. This is pretty much the gold standard. It is not too detailed, it is not too analytical. I don't have a frequency response curve to refer to, but what I hear is, like I said, the high end is silky smooth. The mid-range is, yeah, how it should be. The bass is not too overwhelming, it is not too deep, not too boomy, not too muddy. It gives my voice a very nice, stable low end and don't make me sound like I'm eating the mic. Like this. It is just right. Rode did a very good job in my opinion, but what do you think about the sound? Do you like it? Just leave a comment, I would like to read it. If you're interested in my setup, you will also find links to the Moto M4, to the Bayer Dynamic DT770 Pro, and to a lots of other stuff in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, just leave a like. If you don't, leave a dislike. You know how this works. You are a YouTube pro, I assume. Yeah, that's it from me for now. Let's have a look next week what we got there. I hope you will be there. I will. My name is Steve. That's me walking out.